So here at the preparation, we have our Lipton tea. We take one and put it inside the hot water. So you allow it. Then the second item we put here is at the preparation. We have our Lipton tea. We take one and put it inside the hot water. So you allow it. Then the second item we put here is, this is how you put the Lipton inside the hot water, and you take one of these lemon plus medicated fruit using. So this very one, you open it this way and take it. You open tom, also strip it. Then you add your honey. You add some honey so that it will. Honey is very good. It's a very good medicinal. You have a very good medicinal purposes. Honey cures a lot of things, especially something like that can deal with cough and other needs concerning the throat. Honey helps in cleaning the throat. So the use of this medicated candy, this is very good in clearing throat. And also this lemon plus. So this very one, you use it, you put it inside your mouth and lick it. Let me show you how you lick it. You put it inside your mouth and lick any of them. Then you take the tea and let me show you. It's very hot, very hot. You take it using. So as you take it, you make sure you swallow the whole thing. Not the sweet. Don't swallow the sweet like that. If you like, you can grind it, you can chew it, but drink it as you drink. Within some minutes, the cough will clear immediately. So the second item here is this is bitter cola. Although this bitter cola is very short in shape. Some of them used to be longer than this. I don't know the species where they got this type. So maybe this one will come from either another part of African country. But the Nigerian type is always long. So I don't know where this one. I just purchased it on the store. So this bitter cola is very good. Bitter cola, I'm gonna show you, is a very good medicine. It has a very good medicinal purpose. Bitter cola has a lot of, in fact, go and Google it and you can see a very good medicinal purposes of bitter cola. It cure many illness. So today I'm gonna show you how to use bitter cola to cure sore throat. If you are having sore throat, so use bitter cola. Now without wasting your time, this one is very hard to peel. Okay, let me use this very well. Without wasting your time, you peel off bitter cola in this way. When you peel off this way, you grind it. You find something to grind it. Actually, I don't have a mortar or something that I will use to grind it. When you grind it, or let me cut it a little. Let me cut it a little and show you. This way. But if you have something to ground it, or let me use a bigger knife. Make sure do it in a way you can the juice will come out. And I'm not a chef, so I will cut my hand. So you add it into the tea, the mixing, or you can also chew it. So in this way, for sore throat, while drinking it, you and chew this one. Make sure you pick some of the bitter cola like this. All the sore throat will go. Guys, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video because it's very important. It will help you to take care of emergency cough in the night. It will also help you to remove sore throat because if you have sore throat, it's very painful. So while eating bitter cola, if you don't want to prepare it this way, you can also eat one bowl of bitter cola or two. Make sure you drink it, you take it, when you chew it, you take it, you drink it with water or whatever in order to penetrate inside your throat. In the next 10 minutes, the sore throat will clear. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and show some love and share to your friends because it might be a good help for your friend and family. Thank you. Bye.